A sneeze begins when tiny particles enter your nose. These irritants stimulate sensitive nerve endings in the nasal lining. Signals are sent rapidly to your brain through specialized nerves. Your brainstem instantly activates a protective reflex. Your lungs fill with air, preparing for a powerful response. Your throat closes, trapping air and building pressure inside your chest. Then suddenly, everything releases. Air explodes out through your nose and mouth at high speed, carrying irritants with it. In just milliseconds, your airway is cleared, and your body returns to normal breathing. Most people never realize how fast and coordinated this process really is.